Eating protein doesn't have to mean eating meat, and there's growing evidence that replacing animal proteins with more plant-based proteins can benefit your health. These, mostly, vegetarian foods are high in protein and heart-healthy too. And these are some of the best food with a big protein value. 1. Cannellini beans. There are 10 grams of protein in a half cup. That's the same amount as a regular-sized chicken thigh. You can add cannellini beans to soup, put them on toast, or make a bean salad. Try them with pasta or toss them in a food processor with herbs for a tasty bean dip. 2. Hemp seeds. 3 tablespoons equals 10 grams of protein. Hemp seeds come from hemp plants, which are the same species as cannabis. But they don't have any psychoactive compounds, like THC or CBD. You can find hemp seeds at most supermarkets or natural food stores. Mix them into anything, including soups, salads, smoothies, and granola. 3. Edamame. Animal protein doesn't have fiber, but plant-based protein does. A half cup of edamame pods has 9 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. These green soybeans also have vitamins A and B, along with phytochemicals called isoflavones that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Edamame makes a great snack or protein base for stir-fry. 4. Lentils. Don't let their small size fool you. A half cup of cooked lentils has 9 grams of protein. Part of the legume family of beans and peas, lentils are also high in potassium, fiber, and folate. They're inexpensive, easy to prepare, and great in pastas, curries, salads, and grain bowls. 5. Amaranth. This gluten-free grain is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked amaranth has 9 grams of protein, a mild, nutty flavor, and a texture similar to polenta. It can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, like muffins and grain bowls. 6. Pumpkin seeds. They might get the most attention around Halloween, but pumpkin seeds are available and good for you all year long. Also called pepitas, a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds has 8 grams of protein and 42% of your daily magnesium needs. Toss them in trail mix, granola, or salads. Or just eat them alone as a snack. 7. Peanut butter. It's the law. Anything labeled peanut butter in the US has to be at least 90% peanuts. And that's good news because that's where all the protein is. Just 2 tablespoons of peanut butter has 8 grams and plenty of healthy fats. Look for peanut butter that's just peanuts with a little salt. Use it as a protein boost in stir-fry sauces and oatmeal. Or eat it with sliced apples or celery.